Okay, sorry.
Who's healing Akori?
Yeah.
Ako.
Luca.
5,
Okay.
Standing right here.
3, 2, 1.
Death to the outsiders.
No one moves. I don't want to see anyone moving, guys.
Squid Game.
Yeah. If you move, you die.
It is
Red light.
red light, green light.
He's on Dragon. Move away from him.
No. Everybody should be in spot. Yeah. Heal Akori. Don't attack.
Elandril, you need to calm down. You are LOS.
Closer. Heal Landril. Heal
People, if you're still in range,
Okay.
Somebody removed the roots somehow.
Blessing of freedom, you can do that, yeah. Okay, carry on.
Nice.
Do it again if you can do it.
Yeah.
Just put a ground in near a car exile.
Yeah, exile, put a grounding if you can.
yeah, I am. It's up.
Static on Exile. Heal Icifer, heal Akori.
Needs to be near the tank.
Entangled now.
Icifer needs heal.
He can move out of the med range, yeah. Top limitless.
Stay away from me, Troy.
I'm
Stay
out
away
there.
from me. Go to the left.
You just took my spot.
Shh, this fucking blast.
Exile.
Don't pull aggro, please, yeah.
Go near. Drop a ground in here. If you drop it up there, it's too far away. It won't hit it.
Okay, I will move closer.
Just go near where Ash is.
$75 is on Awesome. It's good.
Get ready for popping trinkets to burner.
$70.
Oh, trinkets.
Pop it. $66.9. Well done, guys.
Good job, guys. I'll wait for lightning.
Yeah, right. Remember the ground's got to be near the tank.
Platform, guys. Assume your position on the edge of the platform.
Not going 5.
Naga incoming. Tell the platform.
Naga 4.
4.
Up.
I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I
Exiled,
got it.
I'll go pick it up. You wait by the flag, please.
Okay.
I got strided with the core on me. The strider literally spawned on my face. Like a
Fuck.
Shadow.
Yeah.
Strider room behind us, yeah.
That was unlucky.
Who got battle race? Unbalanced?
I had the core on me, so it's gone.
Unbalanced, do you have battle race?
Yeah.
Can
He's on
do
the other side.
Yeah, pick up Troy.
Osam boş atmayın.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Elite
Troy.
1.
We shot low aggro.
I left after this now.
Naga is also there. Pick him up. To buff Troy. He's going for pulsat for some reason. Finish it off. Okay.
Tainted
All the
tree.
entities.
This one.
Strider 2.
Pulse at stomach.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Can you
Pick me.
cycle?
Naga 1.
I'm netting.
Nice one. I will net after you. Netting in 2 seconds.
Keegan, I'm helping Naga. Let me know if you need help.
Net of ready.
Onur buraya bir el at.
Alright.
Switch to elite.
Switch to Naga. Who's that? Keegan, help Keegan,
We
guys.
are gonna miss that, miss
Yeah.
that.
Naga
Strider.
1.
Strider, Strider 1.
Despawn.
Go,
Call
go on
it.
Strider. He will come back, he will come back. Okay.
We missed another. Gotta call it. Call it sooner.
But yeah, I will pay more attention. Your voice is kind of. Oh, I got the raised, I guess. It's 4. It's 4.
I'm netting it.
I'll do next.
I can do next. Net.
Okay, do it.
Careful, freezer.
Sorry, I've gotten that.
Naga, everyone.
Can we have tied or plus?
Naga coming.
Naga, pick the Naga up. Next Strider soon.
Strider.
Strider 4.
It's 3, but yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Get in.
I'm feared, need help on 3.
Yeah,
No,
back
no,
up, go
it's-
3. Come here.
Tainted 3.
Okay.
I have
Don't
no
miss
more
that
mana
one.
Potions,
Okay.
demonic runes, or anything. I'm like just I'm not even a DPS at this point.
I'm recruiting
Okay,
after.
okay, lithium.
Come trade me, I give you mana.
Need help with Tainted. Ana, come on. Ana.
Rider 1.
Predator.
It's,
Yeah.
Elite 1. Sorry.
Helping 3 right now. Keegan, are you okay?
Done. And he's not in range. I'm gonna have to throw to someone who's. Someone's gonna have to come in range. There you go. Valdemir.
Freezer, freezer, just for the freezer.
It's not because it's not in range. I'm behind the thing. Valdemir's got it. Send awesome Valdemir.
It's line of sight probably.
Strider 1.
Yeah. You have to kill the Strider and after that we're gonna use it, yeah? Next Naga. Finish that Naga and go to Strider, guys, please.
Naga 4.
Okay, all on Strider. We don't need any more.
3, sorry.
Where is core?
I net next.
3, on my way help.
You will need to pass through middle, so we'll need few people to pick up.
Finish the Strider.
Deliver to 1.
Someone needs to get close. Lithium, are you?
No, miles away.
We need to get this in 10 seconds here, otherwise
Freezer, sent to freezer.
Freezer to Osam. Osam, get ready.
Go on.
Get go now. Okay, get your positions.
8 yards, guys.
Pop, last, and everything.
Just push elementals when they get close.
Bloodlust, please. Every.
Top up everyone. Grounding needs to be down.
Grounding on the boss, on tank, come on.
Heal them, Shami.
Unbalanced, mind controlled.
Okay. Don't call micro.
Sorry.
Watch threat, I need more on size.
Balor, can you climb the thread? Because we capped.
Boss is down to go. Stop with the threat. Just focus on the other things.
Urge the heals, come on.
Yeah, push the heals.
Especially when
Do you have any reds this thread?
Yeah, if you have reses, can you get one of us up at this?
Osam or Freddy, please.
And Balnar get Fear Predator. I'm at behind boss.
I have the thing. Stay away from me. I'm hitting literally everywhere.
Melee move out. Melee move out.
Put your Tornling seeds.
go ham on the boss. Don't worry.
If you need bloodlust, still have it up.
Yes.
Eldom spot.
Can we have...
Get one of them, I will get Eldom, you get the other guy.
Just don't die, just avoid the spores.
Okay, Eldom, go for it, man.
I spotted it.
Done.
Just keep moving about. Everyone up.
I still have bloodlust up, by the way, guys.
I'm moving you, I'm moving you.
I didn't get
Innovate freezer if you can.
Exile, pop it.
ice frame sheet.
Move the boss away. Ginger, move, don't move, mate, you're fine.
Any innovates? If you got it, just do it.
No,
40 seconds.
Alright. Move away, Dexel. Gotta be quicker. Quick enough.
It's fine, okay, we got this, come on.
Freezer be in range. Come to.
Keep Akori alive.
20 seconds for inner range.
Keep pumping. 600k.
Stay alive.
Just keep avoiding spores, keep
got
moving
this.
about. Just keep moving.
Boss has Bob.
Ooh, I got Bob now.
Guys,
Okay,
don't
melee range.
stack like that, huh? Don't stack.
Got this, guys. We got this. Come on.
Watch the spread.
Keep DPS, keep DPS. Calm down. Move from the spores if you got it.
Finish it off, come on, 100k.
I got it, she's dead.
Well done, guys.
Lol. We have an hour.
Vashj again.
We go to
What? You're joking, mate.
Look at the
And
bow.
bow.